It's okay. Where are you guys from?
Seattle.
Oh, Seattle. The capital is Olympia, right? And we're talking about Washington State. I know, not Washington D.C. That's taxation without representation. Yeah. And always I know fun facts about your states as well and countries. Yeah. So, but let's focus now. So, House of the Black Madonna is actually new. Was built only between 1911 and 1912. So that's technically not an original building from here. There was a different building there before, from the 1500s, and that's where the Black Madonna is from. You can see her right over there on the edge. Please don't ask me why was there a Black Madonna in the house before that, because we don't know. It's one of the mysteries of Prague. We cannot find it in any of the sources. The only thing that we know is that this figurine was actually on the house that was here before as well. It's the same one. Now, what's unique about this building is that it was built in Cubism. Cubism is an architecture style that you can only find in Prague. You can find Cubism, yes, in painting, in jewelry, and in furniture all over the world. But in architecture, only in Prague. Now, it's not really fair to all the other styles because there's only about 20 buildings built in Cubism, and they are all in Prague. Now, the word Cubism does not come from the English word cube. Come on, not everything is based on English. There's some old languages in the world, yeah, like Latin, Greek, maybe Czech too. Not really, Latin, Greek, yeah. So it comes from the Latin word kubus.